every time I start my 1000 horsepower Hellcat.
Oh!
Oh my god, I'm really, really.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. This is Sparta!
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground.
Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a belly dancer.
Treat? You just had a whole bunch, so you can't have any. No treats for you. Waffles?
Oh yeah, that's my fluffy toy. I know you didn't just throw. Did you just throw my fluffy toy, man? Oh, so that's what we doing? We throwing other people's stuff? Okay, well catch this. It ain't funny when I throw stuff you like.
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.
No way that works. Moxie! What's good, girl? We're gonna go try something, alright? Come on. Alright, be gentle, okay? Be gentle. Alright, come on. Alright, you don't wanna put it in your mouth? I'll put it right here. Where's it at? Did you just fucking swallow the whole egg? Yo! Oh, no, it's right here. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.